Before we continue reading, we're going to review the blue text box questions on the left. Number 4. Why was the family important in Roman society? Number 6. How were satires different from odes? Romans believed that gods and spirits controlled all parts of life. Greek gods and goddesses were popular in Rome, but the Romans gave them new names. The Roman Senate declared that the emperors were gods. The Romans worshipped their gods by praying and offering food to them. Romans borrowed ideas such as Stoicism from the Greeks and changed them to fit their culture. For Greeks, Stoicism meant finding happiness through reasons. For the Romans, it meant living in a practical way. Roman Stoics urged people to do their civic duty and participate in government. These ideas are still important to us today. Science and art. The Romans used many features of Greek writing, art, and architecture, but changed them to fit Roman style. Like the Greeks, Roman artists created statues. Greek statues showed perfect and beautiful people. Roman statues, on the other hand, showed people that looked more realistic. The Greeks. Greeks believed in gods and goddesses. Stoicism taught people to find happiness through reason. Statues made people look perfect and beautiful. Writers honored their gods and praised their generals' successes. The Romans. Romans gave Greek gods and goddesses new names. Stoicism taught people to do their duties as citizens and participate in government. Realistic statues showed details like warts and wrinkles. Writers wrote comedies about their gods' mistakes. Writers also wrote about the failures of their generals. Some Roman writers based their work on Greek models. The Roman poet Virgil borrowed some of the ideas for his poem, the Aeneid, from the Greek poem called the Odyssey. The poet Horace based his satires and odes on Greek works. Satires poke fun at human weakness like comedians do today. Odes are poems that express strong emotions about life. Other Romans wrote plays. Unlike the Greeks, however, Romans wrote comedies about their gods as well as plays that honored them.